So let's begin our set for today. Here you go. You have exactly 12 minutes to solve this set. We will discuss it right at 9:15 p.m. Right? Give your best shot, read it, understand it, and at 9:15 we will discuss it. Hanji, how many of you are done? Everyone who is done, just send me your answer in the personal chat. Let's verify. Just send me your answer in the personal chat. Okay, how many of you are just searching for the starting point, looking for the starting point, and are not able to even find the starting point? How many? Okay, chalo, ठीक है. The people who are trying, keep trying, and then let's just think that what is the set asking from us, right? Mhm. Okay. When we look at the set, it says A, B, C, D, E, F, Ajay, Bhushan, Chandra, Dinesh, Ekant, and these are the 6 friends, and they are from a local traveler group. Out of these 6 towns named Amravati, Akola, this, and this, each of them wants to visit, has visited 3 towns. So there are 6 friends. There are 6 friends in total. Each of them has visited 3 places, and each of them wants to visit 3 places. Okay. So if 6 friends have visited 3 places each, then what are the total number of visits? Can I say the total number of visits are 6 into 3, 18? This is the most basic thing that I can pick up, right? The total number of visits are 6 into 3, 18, right? Okay. Now it is given to me that the number of friends who have visited Amravati, Akola, Ahmedabad, Alwar, and Ankleshwar. So despite of one place, the numbering of 5 others is given, right? So 2, 5, 4, 2, and 3. These are the number of visits to Amravati, Akola, Ahmedabad, Alwar, and Ankleshwar, and so on, right? So 2 and 5, 7, 4, 11, 2, 13, and 3, 16. And the total number of visits are 18. Visits up to this point are 16, which means visit for the last city is only 2 visits. Visit for the last city is only 2 visits, right? Is this clear, everyone? Up to this point, is this clear? We haven't even started doing anything yet. We are just working on the hints, right? Okay. Okay. Now, since this is clear, now additionally, the following table shows some of the pairs who have visited the number of towns, and the pairs that have visited that are called common town. So basically, Ajay and Bhushan, they have together visited 3 of the towns. So whichever 3 towns they have visited, A and B have visited it together, right? So they have 3 common towns. Similarly, Ajay and Fareed also have 3 common towns. So can I say all of them must have 3 common towns? Sorry, Ajay and Chandru tha yahan pe. Ajay and Chandru. If Ajay and Chandru have 3 common towns and Ajay and Fareed also have 3 common towns, which means that A, C, F are 3 common towns. What is the basic thing we should learn in these type of questions? We should start from that point which is giving us maximum information. Right now, more are the number of towns visited by the people, more is the information drawn by them, right? Is this making sense? कि जितनी ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन होगी उतनी ज्यादा हम पॉइंट्स बना पाएंगे, right? Now I know that there are 6 people. I know that there are 6 people, A, B, C, D, E, and F. And I know that they are going to visit 6 towns, right? So how should I represent? I should represent in them in somewhat a matrix where I should place all the values, yes and no and everything around it, right? This is what my structure should be before I move to the structure, right? Now, let's move to the structure. I have kept only the relevant information. Everything else has been removed. Right. Any doubt up to this point? Anyone, any doubt up to this point? No doubt up to this point, right? Okay. Now, ठीक है. Tell me that I know. I know that they are visiting some places that are in common, right? And I know this for a fact that people who are having the maximum visits are Ajay and Chandru and Ajay and Freed. Ajay and Chandru and Ajay and Freed are those people, right? And so Ajay plus Chandru have three, Ajay plus Freed have three. Satyam, is it a doubt? Satyam, I am given that there are six towns, right? Let us, for the basic understanding, let us say the six towns are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each person has visited only three towns. Each person has visited only three towns and he intends to visit the other three. हर बंदे ने सिर्फ तीन टाउन्स को विजिट किया है और वो चाहता है कि बाकी तीन को विजिट करे. Now, if it is given to me that Ajay and Chandra have three common towns, can I say these three common towns can be, let us say, 1, 2, 3? Hypothetically, let us say these both of them have visited 1, 2, 3, which means both of them have not visited 4, 5, 6. Similarly, if Ajay and A and F have also visited three towns and Ajay have visited 1, 2, 3, which means F has also visited 1, 2, 3, which means A, F, C have all the common towns with them. Right? Is it clear now? Okay. Now, when I look at the number of when I look at the number of visits, that Amravati is visited by only two people in common. Akola is visited by five people. Ahmedabad by four. Alwar by two. Ankleshwar by three, and Ambajagai by two. Right now, if there are only two visits at this place, if there are only two visits at this place, can three people visit there in community? क्या वहां पे तीन लोग हो सकते हैं विजिट में? No, right. Which means, now tell me that where should I place my A, C, and F? Which three towns will they go to? Which very good. Perfect. Perfect. 2, 3, 5. Second, third, and fifth town. They will go to the second, third, and fifth town. Right. So basically, Ajay is going to Akola. Right. Let's put a tick over here. Ajay is going to Ahmedabad and Ajay is going to Ankleshwar. Similarly, Ajay has not visited these three places yet. Right now, he has not visited these three places, right? Similarly, it is common with C also. Yancha, I'll explain again. See, these are the number of visits given by the people. Let us say if A has gone there, this place will have one visit. After that, if B goes there, this place will have a total of two visits. One more, a total of two visits, right? But the people A, C, and F are going together. Wherever they are going together. Which means whenever they go to a particular place, there is the minimum number of visits should be three. A has visited, so number of visits is one. C has visited, number of visits should be two. F has visited, number of visits are three. So if there are three people, A, C, F, and F visiting a particular place, that place will have a minimum visits of three. Is this point clear? अगर हमारा अजय, चंद्रू और फरीद ये तीन लोग एक साथ कहीं पे जाते हैं तो उस प्लेस के ऊपर तीन लोगों ने विजिट करी तो मिनिमम तीन विजिट तो होनी चाहिए, राइट? एंड विच आर द प्लेसेस विद थ्री विजिट्स? अंकलेश्वर, अहमदाबाद एंड अकोला आर द ओनली प्लेसेस विद थ्री विजिट्स. सो इनका तो मैं लिख के लेता हूं. सो अजय, चंद्रू एंड द थर्ड वन इज फरीद, राइट? ओके. It is given to me that Dinesh wants to visit Akola. So Dinesh has not visited Akola yet. Dinesh wants to visit Akola. And Bhushan wants to visit Ahmedabad. Bhushan wants to visit Ahmedabad yet. Right. Now, there are how many people have visited Akola? Five people have visited Akola. Who has not visited? Dinesh has not visited. Which means which are the people who have visited? All of them. All the rest of them. This is clear. Right. Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. As soon as I write this, I see that Akola has been visited by five people. Now, the number of people who have one town in common and are here only, for example, Ekant and Freed. Ekant and Freed have only one town in common, and Ekant has also visited Akola. Freed has also visited Akola. Can I say Ekant plus Freed visited Akola only as a common place? Yes or no? Is this clear? Right? So can I say Ekant must not have visited this place, must not have visited Eknath must not have visited Ahmedabad, must not have visited Ankleshwar. Why? Because if Eknath has visited Ahmedabad and Fareed has also visited Ahmedabad, then their common places will be two, right? One is already Akola. This would be the second common place, which is not possible because these people have only one common place. Is this clear, everyone, up to this point? Very well, very well, very well. Now, Fareed wants to visit this place. Now, tell me which is the next place that I should pick, which will give me the maximum hint. Charu and Eknath, E and B. What is the number of places picked by E and B? Ekant and Bhushan. Ekant and Bhushan have two places in common. Ekant and Bhushan have two places in common. See, Ahmedabad has been visited by four people. Ahmedabad has been visited by four people. These two are not there. These two are not there. So which must be the fourth person here? Dinesh must be the fourth person here. Right? Is this also clear? Right? Now tell me. Now tell me, if I talk about Fareed, Fareed has visited Ahmedabad and Ankleshwar. Now, since Eknath cannot visit Ahmedabad and Ankleshwar, and there are four friends who have visited, then Dinesh must be the fourth friend. This is the final chart. Now, Bhushan and Ekant have two towns in common. Bhushan and Ekant have two towns in common. Which is one of them? Bhushan and Ekant. One of them is this Akola. Which can be the other two? Which can be the other two? See, this cannot be this. This cannot be the common place. Can I say then the other two could be this one or this one? These are the other possibilities that they have in common, nothing else, right? It can either be Amravati or it can be our Alwar or it can be our Ambajagai, जो भी तीन places हैं, right? अब ये तीन जगह में से तो कुछ common है नहीं. अहमदाबाद sorry अकोला पहले ही common हो चुके हैं, which means the second common place is either Amravati or Alwar or Ambajagai, right? Rita, I will repeat this. I am given that B and E have visited two common places. B plus E have two common places. Akola is one of them. Akola is definitely visited by them. Then I am given that Eknath has not gone to Ahmedabad. I am given that Bhushan has not gone to Ankleshwar. Which means what are the option left for the common place? Option left for the last common place is either Amravati or Alwar or Ambejagai. Nothing else. These are the option left. Is this clear up to this point? Okay. Now, can I move any further? Because the rest everything is only one combination and it can be placed anywhere. Can I do anything else? Right. Uncle Ishwar is done. Right. So Dinesh cannot come here only. Right. Dinesh and Fareed, D and F, they have visited only one place. Dinesh and Fareed has only one place. Which is that one place? D and F has only one place. Which is that one place? Ahmedabad. Right. But that is not giving me anything else. No. That is not giving me anything else. If I talk about Bhushan and Fareed, even if I talk Bhushan and Fareed has one place in common, and that is this one. And now again, I have already marked cut at other places. Again, this was not giving me anything else. Which means with the given information, I cannot go beyond this point. I have all the common places that are given to me have been exhausted as of now. Is this point clear? That abhi jitni bhi information thi, I have drawn everything. Cool. Now tell me, all the three towns visited by how many of six friends can be uniquely determined? What is the answer for this? Three. Who are those three people? Ajay, Chandru, and Fareed. Ajay, Chandru, and Fareed. Right? Okay. Second, who among the following wants to visit Ahmedabad? Ajay has already visited. So it is Bhushan and Eknath. Among these options, Eknath. Right? Eknath. Okay. Done. Now it is given to me for the next question and additional information is given to me that Eknath has visited Amravati. So Eknath has visited Amravati. Okay. So if Eknath has visited Amravati, who will it be common with? Very good. right? Because there is only yes, very good, Ekant and Bhushan, right? And since there are two, which this will be cross, right? Yachna, the second point that was the second question asked by someone was who among the following has visited Ahmedabad, wants to visit Ahmedabad. अहमदाबाद कौन जाना चाहेगा जो अभी तक नहीं गया होगा? Who has not gone to Ahmedabad yet? Ahmedabad is not visited by Bhushan and Eknath. So Bhushan and Eknath can wants to visit Ahmedabad. Eknath is in the option, so Eknath is the right choice. Is it clear? Now, as soon as I am making it common, as soon as now it is given to me that Eknath has visited Amravati. So Eknath is visiting Amravati. So if Eknath is visiting, अभी तो repeat कर रहा हूँ, Prita I am repeating. Since Eknath has visited Amravati, but Dinesh wants to visit Amravati, so Dinesh has not visited Amravati, which means which is the other person which will be common? Bhushan will be common because Ajay, Chandru, and Farid were already out. Since Dinesh wants to visit there, which means Ekant and Bhushan will have it as a common second place. Is this clear, everyone? Three people were already out, right? Just look it back. Okay, so this was the chart. It was told to me that Ekant has visited Amravati. Eknath has visited Amravati. So this person is visited. But Dinesh wants to visit Amravati. So Dinesh is not visiting this place. So since there are two visits and this is eliminated, the only person left is this. Right? Now, which means Dinesh has three crosses already. These are the three crosses for Dinesh. So which should be the fourth? This is correct. This is correct. Now, what is the option left? Can I fill this? Again, I cannot fill this. Can you fill the last block? Alvar and Ambajogai anyway? No. Right? I don't have any other option with me. I don't have any other hint with me. Now all of them. Now answer. For how many of the people is it certainly determined now? फोर पीपल यार इन दोनों के लिए तो हमने ये दो दो स्लॉट छोड़ दिए ना. Before this, it was only ACF. Now D has also joined the list, right? D has also just joined the list. So how many people are these? Four people are these, right? Okay. Now Dinesh wants to visit Amravati, right? And as I consider Amravati, Akola, and Anwar. So Amravati, Akola, and Alwar. Out of these three places, Dinesh wants to visit how many places? Dinesh has already visited Alwar. So out of these places, he wants to visit two more. Instead of these three places, he wants to visit two more. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. Perfect. So this completes the set, right? And I hope you have enjoyed it. Tomorrow we will do another set.